3, 2, 1.
Good day, everyone. GarageKing here, and welcome to the Snap-on April 2026 sales flyer of the month. We got some pretty cool stuff in this flyer, so let's get right to it. First of all, these are not on sale. I'll go over them very quickly. They are new products, and I know some viewers before like things in pink, and I gotta agree, they do look pretty cool. So let's go over them pretty quickly. So first of all, for $5.35, you can get yourself a creeper. I do have this creeper, except mine is just not in pink, and I absolutely like it. It is pricey though, I'll tell you that. It is pricey. And then there is the creeper set that is creeper seat, that is $371. When we go down here, I can't believe they want $200 for 3-piece tool set. I mean, this is really nice to have these magnets, and I know Snap-on makes really good magnets, and this is most likely a really good mirror, but for $200, that's really pricey. Mind you, you're getting the pretty cool handles. This is something you don't see too often, a hard handle kit, because everything now is pretty much instinct. It is $416, but you do get quite the variety of screwdrivers there, 10-piece combination screwdriver set, and you do get the little magnetic pry bars. Over here, we have the stackable parts tray. That's a 2-piece, that is $76. We get the collapsible magnetic dish for $58. And a magnetic parts jar for $38. I actually like the way this thing looks because it's clear and you can see what you're putting in it instead of, you know, putting stuff in and just hiding it away and forgetting you even had it. Anyway, let's move down here. We got some measuring tapes, and there are the sizes. You can get SAE or metric. And if we move over here, we got some pretty cool magnets. This one here holds 35 pounds, and this one over here holds 20 pounds. And there is the price, $100 for the big one and $58 for the smaller one. Over here we have some shears, 8.5-inch shears, $86. 3.5-inch, much smaller. Those are $81, so really not much of a price difference. So I'd say go for the bigger ones if you want. And then over here we have the hammers. Snap-on makes excellent hammers. You can see there are the sizes, there are the prices. We got our adjustable wrenches. This one's not shown. It looks pretty much the same as this one, except it's a little bit smaller because this is an 8-inch, that one's a 6-inch. And then over here, we have a 1/2-inch torque wrench right here with a flex head, 40 to 250 foot-pounds, $760. They're making it in pink. And then over there for just over $1,000, we got the 3/8 drive one and a 1/2-inch drive right there for $1,090, and that's $15 to $300. So let's move over to the new page. Here we have some new products. If anyone has purchased this before me, because I'm actually thinking of getting this one, didn't ask for a demo today because I was so excited to get the flyer off the truck, but it's still pricey. It's $375 for the gun only, not on sale. I do have the batteries because I bought the Snap-on vacuum and some stuff before. So anyway, I do have the batteries, but still $375. What I would be concerned with, or I guess what I'm curious is how well it heats using battery power, because we all know heat draws a lot of current. So anyway, a battery operated heat gun, I'd be curious how well it actually works. Down over here, we have charging systems for your car. So $211, and that is a 4-amp 12-volt battery maintainer. This is what it looks like. So it works with all types of batteries. So your standard AGM and your lithium batteries, and you even get a really cool display with it. If we pan down here, we have this tool. Why did Snap-on do this? It's $138, but look at the tip. You can get it in all these different colors. I bought one of these not so long ago. I got it on sale. It was 15% off. One of the coolest tools I bought. I still haven't used it, but I really, really like it. But if you look at the end here, this one is for trim, and now they've changed it up probably so they can try to sell me another one. This is for prying. I really would like to have this one, but the problem is I already have prying tools, and I wanted the trim one, so I bought this. But it is built really well, and you know, honestly, I just think this is a really, really cool tool. Anyway, that's enough out of that one. It is $138. If we slide over here, we have another new tool, 3/8 drive. It's a Torque Plus swivel impact socket. This one's for Fords. They say it's going to save you up to 20 minutes when you're removing and installing a downpipe nut on a catalytic converter in a restricted access area. That's for the 2021 and newer Ford Explorer. So pretty neat. That's one of their new tools that they're showcasing that will save you some money. Let's flip the page, everybody. All right, so hex bit sets are on sale. If you're looking to buy one, I would get this one. This is the 10-piece combination one. It's a mix of 3/8 drive and quarter drive. So for 3/8 drive, you're getting 4 to 10, and for the quarter drive, you're getting 2 to 3. They are very good. I do have a set, and I use mine all the time. So they are really, really good. If we go over here, say you don't want the quarter, or sorry, you just want the quarter drive. It's not shown. They're $190, and that's the 2 to 6 quarter drive, 6-piece only. We slide down here. These ones are a little bit different. It's 11-piece 3/8 drive. It is a metric set. Down from $579, it is $463.80. It's the 4 to 14. Mine are gold, so I'm wondering if mine are kind of like this size, and maybe these are a little bit longer. I don't know why they're this color, because all my metrics are gold, and then my imperial ones are all black, like the fractional sized ones. Anyway, if anyone knows why that color, I think they're maybe just a little bit longer, but I'm not 100% sure. Don't quote me. Next up, we have 7-piece. This one here is $354, down from $442. The reason it's so much money is it's 1/2-inch drive, so you're getting 6 to 19, less a few in between sizes. So you get a pretty decent set, and they're 1/2-inch drive if you need that. No one uses a lot of 1/2-inch drive anymore, but you never know. You never know. You might need them. If you're wondering what's down here, these are not shown. These are pretty much the same things, but instead of metric, they're just imperial sizes. So I'll pan over there. You can see there's the price of that kit. This 10-piece one right here is $290, regular $363. And the last one here, 7-piece there, again, not shown. There's the sizes, and that one is $336. Now, the one thing I should say is sometimes you just have to get fractional sizes because there is no metric equivalent, and it's just not close enough, and you're gonna wreck stuff. And one of the sizes is 1/16 of an inch. It is super tiny. I needed to use it on a Corvette shifter. And just to give you an idea of size comparison, this one is 1/8 of an inch, and you can see how big that is. So that's 1/8 of an inch, and that's 1/16 of an inch. And anyway, this one's super tiny. I'm surprised it doesn't strip out, but it didn't. And like I said, I've only used it just a handful of times. Like I said, I've used it on a Corvette shifter. That was it. So there are certain times where you just have to get those SAE tools. Metric just won't do. Let's keep moving on, everybody. Let's keep moving on. So here we have some air tools. So 1 horsepower, heavy duty 3-inch cut off tool, $535, but you do get up to $145 with a trade-in. So find your old tool and trade it in. At least you get $145 back. Next, we have a heavy duty reciprocating air saw. This I would love to buy, but I would not love to pay that price. That's $635. I know you're gonna get $140 off, so you're still looking at about 500 bucks. I have a pretty junky one. Mine's from Princess Auto. It'd be the equivalent of a really cheap Harbor Freight. And the only place I really use mine, and I've used it quite a bit, is when I'm changing transmission lines that are really, really rusted out and I have to cut them. Anyway, that's what I use that tool for. So anyway, I don't use it a whole lot, but it would be cool, but not for that price. Next up, what we have down here, let's zoom in a little bit here. 3-inch cut off tool. This is 1/2 horsepower, so $470. And you do get $135 off with a trade-in. So the difference between this one and this one was this one's just got a little more jam. It's a full horsepower. Now, if we pan down here, we're back to battery power tools. So 18 volt, get up to 105 with your trade-in. So that's an 18 volt reciprocating saw. So this is a big guy here. And then if we slide over there, we have the air nibbler. This is a 14.4 volt. Keep in mind, these are tools only. They're not kits. The tools, the batteries are quite expensive with the charger. I'll just let you know firsthand. And then lastly over here, we do have the 14.4 volt cutoff tool, tool only. This would be very handy. $419, 25 off. So you're basically, $25 with a trade-in. So you're basically looking at $400 for the tool. Let's turn the page, everybody. Let's keep going. So here we just have a bunch of advertising for their scanners and stuff. There's no prices, nothing like that. So we're gonna move along. Let's just keep going. BOGOs. I love the BOGOs. So here for quarter drive, we got buy and get. So if you buy the quarter drive 6-point metric flank drive deep set, $491, that's 5 to 15, an awesome set. You can get the extra deep, and these are not, they're not like extra deep like any longer. It means the flank drive extra, comma, deep socket set. So flank drive extra, and then deep. So they're both deep. One is flank drive extra and one is the regular flank drive. Anyway, 5 to 15, so same sizes, but that's a really good deal because it's basically half price for the sockets. Slide down over here, you get the semi-deep 424, that's again 5 to 15. You're gonna buy those and you are going to get the 5 to 15 again in the flank drive extra, comma, semi-deep size. So that's a good deal again, half price. And now, if we go down here, we have the shallow set. This is the set that's probably the most desirable and it costs the least amount of money because it's a shallow. And it's a 12-piece quarter drive set. So again, 5 to 15, $339, you're gonna buy them. And then you're going to get the flank drive extra in the shallow. Again, these are regular $388. And if you're wondering what the difference between the sizes are for deep, semi-deep, and shallow, there is what the sizes are. And I put my measuring tape right up there so you can see that's what the sizes are. So those are the difference between them. So deep is 2 inches, semi-deep is 1.25 inches, and shallow is about 1 inch. Now keep in mind that is for the 15 mil sockets. Now if we pan down here, we got more BOGOs here, so buy and get. The only difference down here is these are the fractional sizes, not the metric. So there's the price and that's why they're not shown. So it's a 10 piece. Mind you, these were all 12 pieces. The metrics are 12 pieces. The fractional sizes are 10 piece. So there you go. So 3/16 to 9/16 in the quarter drive, $392. And then you get the flank drive extras, $434. Over here for the semi-deep, $341. And then you're going to get the flank drive extra for they're worth $376, you're gonna get those for free. So they're actually giving you the more expensive ones for free, which is kind of like unlike Snap-on. Anyway, and there again is for the shallows. That's what they are. So let's go to the next page. Over here, Hot Tools Exclusives number 4, so save 15%. So we got the cameras on sale again, the video inspection scopes. This one is $765 and it is on sale for $650. 3.5-inch LCD screen, 5.5 millimeter diameter fixed imager. Screen resolution is 800 by 480 display with a LED backlight, and you get 16 gig internal memory. Now you can step up to this one, so you're getting HD, so 1280 by 720. And the big difference here, I think why it's so much money, because this one's on sale for $1,513, regular $1,700, is it's got a dual view imager. So it's got actually 2 cameras, so you can see like what's going ahead of you and then what's on the side. So that's pretty cool for this one. And then down here for $23.63, it really steps up a lot. And I don't know why this one is so much more money, to be honest. It has a little bit bigger screen, but it's got the same size. It's 5.5 millimeter dual view imager. So I don't really know why this one's so much money with just a little bit bigger screen. I mean, it does say Wi-Fi, connectivity. I don't know. I just find this one to this one is a really big jump and you don't seem to get a lot. Whereas this one from this one, you get a lot for the jump. Anyway, just making conversation. What do we have next? Increase everyday access. So we got some sockets on sale, 20% off. So we got 3/8 drive. These are 12-point SAE deep flank drive socket set. So down from 520, they are 416, and that includes 1/4 inch to 7/8, except you're missing the 1132 or 1132nd. So I wonder where that one went. And those are 3/8 drive again. If we slide down here, we can see again, 11-piece 3/8 drive, 12-point. This one is 347 down from 434, and this one's not excluding any. So anyway, kind of strange. That 11/32 socket is a little bit elusive. Let's go over here to the not shown just to see what they are. And we can see we have quarter drive on this page over here. And this one's 3/16 to 9/16. And this one is on sale for $313, 12-point. Again, we have quarter drive, 3/16 to 9/16. This is semi-deep. So this is the deep. Semi-deep is on sale for $272. And then we have the shallow for $196, regular $245. So if we slide to the bottom right over here, we can see we have the 11-piece 3/8 drive, 12-point SAE flank drive shallow socket set, regular $340 down to $272, and you get the quarter all the way to the 7/8, except that 11/32. It's kind of an elusive socket, everyone. Anyway, now that set is $272. Let's turn the page, everybody. Let's get to the next page. Sorry, not turn the page, slide over. Now we have Tech Essentials. AC performance. It keeps up all year. There's no price. I'm just going to sort of scan over this. That's really, you know, shop equipment. Over here, we have a tire inflator gauge. It is not on sale. It is $361, so it's really not cheap. And then over here for $478, we do have a compression tester kit or a compression test kit. I have an old one I bought years ago. You can see here's mine, and the part number is MT308KB. Mine, I've used it a ton and I absolutely love it. It's never let me down, and like, I haven't been gentle on these things, and they are great. I absolutely love it. Those of you probably, you know, have seen this set maybe even on eBay now. It's kind of vintage, dating myself a little bit, but I love this set. It's really, really good. I noticed the new one has a different part number, and I just hope the quality is the same as the one that I have, because if it is, I think it's probably worth it. It's just a phenomenal set. And that is it for the flyer of the month. So hopefully you've enjoyed. If you have any questions or comments or concerns, anything like that, please leave them below. I am GarageKing, and I hope to see you all again soon. Thanks, everyone.